comparison between Group 1A and Group 7A. Group 1 and Group 7. Okay, now in the periodic table, you can see Group 1 is placed on the extreme left hand side of the periodic table, while Group 7 is there. It is just placed before inert gases. Okay, on the extreme right hand side we will have inert gases, and just before that we are going to have Group 7. Now Group 1 is there, so all of these elements will have one electron in their outermost shell. So they will donate one electron, and valency of all of them will be +1. All of these elements will have 7 electrons in their outermost shell. They will accept one electron, okay, and their valency will be -1. Okay. Now, as it is having only one electron in its outermost shell, it is possible only for them to give electrons only. It's not possible for them to share electrons. So these elements can show only ionic bonding or electrovalent character, while here there are 7 electrons. So it is possible to accept one electron from these kind of elements. So in that case it is going to show ionic bonding. But if no other such element is available, then in that case one electron can be shared to complete the octet state. So it can also show covalent nature. Okay, so this was the first comparative point between Group 1A and Group 7A. Now we'll talk about is the physical states. They will be soft metals, are going to be either liquids, solids, liquids, or gases. Okay. Now as you are coming down the group, I'll just talk about the physical state also. The softness is increasing.
Increase in density also.
Okay, the softness is increasing. Then here the physical states, the first two members are gases, fluorine and chlorine.
So you're talking about Group 7, right?
Yeah, Group 7A, as we are coming down the group.
Yeah, okay. Group 7A.
Okay, bromine is a liquid, and then iodine is a solid. Okay, so as we are coming from gas, melting and boiling point also will increase. Okay, but it is going to be other way around in case of Group 1.
It will be darker on the group also.
I'll come to that. Okay, for Group 1, as we are coming down the group, okay, the metals melting point, boiling point decreases, while for Group 7, okay, melting point and boiling point increases. If you talk about the color, now there is no comparison for color for Group 1 because all of them are white. They form either they are generally white solids or they form white colored compounds. So there is no comparison of color. Now the color of Group 7, as you are coming down, see, fluorine is a light yellow gas, chlorine is a greenish yellow gas, so color becomes slightly darker. Bromine is a deep red or reddish brown colored liquid, so it becomes still more darker. And iodine is a blackish violet solid, so the color becomes darker and darker as we come down the group. Okay, then the next part is conduction of heat and electricity. Obviously Group 1A, because they are metals, they all will be good conductors of heat and electricity, and these are going to be poor conductors of heat and electricity. Okay, so when these both combine, they will form respective halides. Okay, then Group 7A also combine with hydrogens. Okay, they combine with hydrogen to form halides. For example, HCl, HBr, HI, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. But if you are having group 1, then these are going to form hydrides. For example, we have NaH, sodium hydride, KH, potassium hydride. These compounds are ionic in nature, while these are covalent in nature. Okay, so here there is sharing of electrons. Here obviously all these are metals, so they are going to donate electrons, and hydrogen over here will have a negative